Alright, so here's part two. This time we're going to make a more interesting edge than just the softened edge. We have a desire for something different. So once again I'm going to duplicate the background, but this time I'm going to do it with Command J, which will take whatever the background is and duplicate it. And I'm going to turn off the background layer. And I have layer 1. And I will do the same thing I did before, which is I'll make a selection. Make a selection on my image. And then I'll add a layer mask. And because the layer mask, because there's a selection, whatever is not within the selection will be not show because of the layer mask. There we go. So here's my layer mask. Once again, if I click option click on the layer mask, I get the layer mask visible all by itself. So notice that this part and this are the same. So let's try a different kind of filter operation now. Let's go to filter. Let's go to brush strokes. I'm going to go to sprayed strokes. I think this one. Spatter's fine. Now look at this. I have all these choices of the length of the stroke that I have, the spray radius of this spray stroke, and the direction. I'll just take it the way it is, I think. Let's see, how do I like that? Oh, I see. I like that. Processes it. I can click back on the picture, on the thumbnail of the picture itself, or the thumbnail option click on the layer mask thumbnail. You get that. So let's add a white background underneath. This time I'm going to hold the Command key down, and that was a little trick when I click on the Create a New Layer button that will create the layer underneath. And this time I'll also fill it with white. And there is part two in our interesting edges.